Hi, it's Jen here, and I'm going to talk to you about publishing pages and publishing modules. So when you go into Pages on your Canvas course and click View All Pages, what you're looking for is the green check mark over here. So in order for students to see your work that you want them to do, it has to be published, so it has to have that green icon by it. So this test page has not been published. To click it, I just put published. You can also, if you're on the page and you're editing it, you can look here and that's an unpublished page. So my students wouldn't be able to access it. So if I click, now it's published. You can publish and unpublish as many times as you want. It doesn't lose content on the page. The other thing you have to know is that modules have to be published too. So as I'm scrolling through here, you can see that all these modules and then all the pages within the modules are published. But let's say I want to publish this module and just the second page. You can do that. You don't have to have every page in the module published. Just remember, for students to be able to access anything, you want the green check mark to know that it's published.